In this video, we will discuss the scalping strategy using the break and retest method. This trading strategy is very powerful and only uses 2 free buy/sell indicators on TradingView. We won't make this video too long, therefore, make sure to stay on this channel until the end, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Let's get started. In this example, we will demonstrate this scalping strategy on forex trading using the 5-minute time frame. To use this scalping strategy, go to TradingView, then go to the Search Indicator tab. In the Search Indicator tab, type High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker. Next, select the High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker by Keenus Billick. Now, set up the High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker indicator. In the Input tab, change the moving average type to EMA. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. This High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker indicator will be used as adaptive support and resistance. If the price candlestick is above the indicator and is navy, it indicates a bullish trend. If the price candlestick is below the indicator and is red, it indicates a bearish trend. Before placing an order, you must wait for a retest to the area of the High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker indicator. Now add the second indicator, which will be used as a guide for placing orders in the market. Go to the Search Indicator tab and type UT-Bot. Next, select the UT-Bot by Otradian. After that, set up the UT-Bot indicator. In the Input tab, leave the indicator at its default settings. Then go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, deactivate the check marks for trailing stop and bar color. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. How to place a sell order. If the price candlestick is below the High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker indicator, it indicates a bearish trend. Wait until the price candlestick retests the area of the High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker indicator. After that, wait for a sell signal from the UT-Bot indicator. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the last swing high. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. If the price candlestick is above the High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker indicator, it indicates a bullish trend. Wait until the price candlestick retests the area of the High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker indicator. After that, wait for a buy signal from the UT-Bot indicator. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the last swing low. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Remember, no strategy is foolproof, as no strategy can guarantee a 100% win rate. So stick to your money management rules. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. That's it for now. See you in the next one.